Hello, I'm Miss Kelly. What's your name?
My name is Fuke.
Okay, how are you today?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm also good. How old are you?
I
How old are you?
I use
I'm.
I good, thank you. And you?
Are you a boy or a girl?
A boy.
Where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Where do you study?
I study at ABC Hữu English Center.
Okay, who's this?
It's a
She's a.
teacher.
She's a teacher.
It's a
Okay, what's this?
piano.
What's this?
Cái này là wind.
What's this?
Đây wind.
What's this?
Sân bò.
Okay. How do you feel?
Happy.
How do you feel?
Hungry.
How do you feel?
Good.
Scared.
Scared.
Are you happy?
No, I am sleeping.
Are you cold?
No, I am. I am.
Again, are you cold?
Yes, I am. I
Okay, next. Are you sleepy?
No, I am hot.
Okay, very good. Can you count how many fish are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
15,
15, 17,
16,
16, 17, 18, 19, 16, 17, 18, 19, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26.
Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you and goodbye.
Goodbye.